six-pack.
A six-pack.
For the bladder that wants to stretch its horizons.
Oh, I didn't know if it was like a rapper named Six-Pack.
50 Cent?
Funerals.
Chewy?
So chewy.
Just throw that away now. Throw it away now. Just throw it away now.
Oh my god.
Trampoline's not so chewy.
Never liked it.
Socks are chewy. Magic tricks.
Socks are chewy?
Largemouth bass.
No.
How do you know if socks are chewy?
I'm sure they would be. I'm gonna take out molds. That's gross.
But socks aren't.
Yeah,
I mean, you see dogs chew on socks and it takes them a long time.
Birdie's the word.
I know. I'm just picking ones that are like
Vietnam, Jamaica,
Jamaica
and
and
mud.
mud.
And none of those are dirty.
mud bath. Duh.